Right here it says clip 4, JBL startups right there, as you can see. Hey, welcome to another video. So today I've got the JBL Clip 4. This is a Bluetooth waterproof, dustproof speaker. It has 10 hours of battery life. Comes with the clip. Yeah, so I've been, I love using JBL products, and recently I found this online and decided to just give it a try. It's a really small form factor. The fact that it's waterproof, you can use it in the shower or whatever, thought it was a pretty cool little speaker. So here it is, and let's open it up and take a look at what's inside. Okay, so we have a USB-C charge cable, which is nice with the JBL logo. Here's the speaker. We've got an envelope with some material here, some reading material, quick start guide. Okay, so what's in the box? Got the speaker and the cable, a pair of the Bluetooth. The name of the unit is called JBL Clip 4. And it's got the three buttons here: play, volume. Press it once is play and pause. Press it 2 times is skip to the next track. To charge it, you plug it to the USB-C on the bottom, and there's a light indication on the top, okay? And then you can use it to clip it to your bag. So it's got waterproof and dustproof. Waterproof is IP67 rated. All right, so let's see this here. So here's the speaker. Not heavy at all, but it's got a nice weight to it. Fits right here in the palm of my hand. It's actually very nice. So they have different colors. This one they had like red, black, green, blue, and I opted for this yellow gold looking one. I thought it was pretty cool. And okay, so this is how this works. And then they've got the battery indicator right there, the light. And they've got the play and minus and pause button, JBL. All this is in rubber. Right here it says clip 4. That's a nice design right there. And here on the back is also rubberized. So this is like a nylon exterior. Yeah, it's a nylon exterior. It's very nice actually to the touch. Oh, and there is the on and Bluetooth pairing button. Okay, so let's just turn it on and see what happens. Does it have its signature JBL startup sound? Very nice. And right now it's requesting to pair a Bluetooth device. As you can see, when it did that startup, I felt the bass just rumble this little speaker for a second. So I can already feel that it's got some bass, and I'm excited to use it. So let me just pair it to the phone first, and then we could probably play something here. So one thing to also note is that the USB-C charge port is right in the bottom, but there is no cover to it. So I'm assuming that it's still waterproof regardless of having a cover or not. Right there, as you can see. much wraps up the review for this JBL Clip 4. As you can tell from the audio samples, this little speaker has got the bass and the big sound that doesn't really show through the size of this little tiny thing. So it's pretty impressive, and yeah, I'm really impressed with this little thing. So yeah, I mean, that pretty much wraps up this video. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you want to purchase this, the link is also below here in this video. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.